Well, hello and welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Ayon. I'm a biotechnology professional here in Oklahoma City. I moved here 3 years ago from California, and I've been here ever since, and I love it. I'm a bioengineer, but I enjoy coding in Python, so I would call myself a Python enthusiast. And my talk today is about how to get started coding with Python for web development using Django. And if you're an absolute beginner, there's an awesome guide on the Mozilla Development Network website that kind of goes through the setup and coding your first project. Yes. Is that better? Hopefully it sticks. So why is this guide great for beginners? Well, one reason is it's well structured. It provides thorough explanations. It says what it does and does what it says. It's a guide within a guide. It explains web development concepts, not just Django itself. It assumes almost nothing. It assumes you have almost no prior knowledge in coding or web development. It provides useful code snippets, and it also provides notes as an aside. One of the reasons I really like this guide is because it offers background information. It answers the why of web programming to some extent. It provides some historical context, so these languages and frameworks don't just exist in a vacuum. So it provides sort of a who, what, when, where, why. And it also offers a great installation guide. Gives you lots of options, explains those options, from everything from what OS you can use, what version you should develop in, where you can download the code, which databases are supported, and details on using a virtual environment, which before this guide I actually had never used. And let me show you what that looks like. So I mentioned that this website, this Mozilla Developer Network guide, is a guide within a guide, and it truly is. When you navigate to the website, it offers you several links. But here is one of the features I like about this website is it provides sort of an introduction into everything you're going to be doing. So it provides you a summary, prerequisites, and an objective. Actually, the next slide is just moving on over to the Django tutorial itself. This tutorial basically provides you with everything you need to do to create a local library. It shows you the tools that you're going to need to create a skeleton website and an application, how to stop the development server, create models, use the admin side to populate data, create views, create mappers, basically everything you would need to get started with Django. And you could use the Django project's website and their manual as a reference, but I think this is a superior guide. And that's basically it.
Thank you.
Thanks.